Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by signing into the Google account that holds your YouTube TV subscription. This gives you access to live channels and DVR. Once signed in, make sure your streaming device is on the same Wi-Fi network as your phone or laptop to enable casting and remote control. If you have an antenna, keep it connected for local channels. Now open the YouTube TV app and accept any permission requests, so it can update guide data and manage recordings automatically. Next, set your home area to receive local broadcasts and regional sports. This matters for blackouts and game availability. Then use the guide to add channels and hit record for shows you want saved. Recordings sync across devices and let you fast-forward commercials. Create individual profiles so recommendations and DVR are personalized, and enable parental controls if needed. Make sure to verify recording storage and adjust the retention rules so your most important content stays. For playback, either cast from your phone or open the YouTube TV app directly on the streaming device. The app adapts quality based on your bandwidth. If video stalls, pause, then check your Wi-Fi speed and restart the app or device. Network congestion is the most common culprit. Make sure the app is updated. If problems persist, clear the app cache or sign out and back in to refresh your settings. If none of that works, contact support with device logs and account details for deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.